What's the meaning of battery? Battery. Battery.
Battery. Battery. A battery is a device that converts stored chemical energy into electrical energy. It comprises one or more electrochemical cells, which are self-contained units that produce electricity through an electrochemical reaction. Batteries are widely used in portable electronic devices, such as smartphones, laptops, digital cameras, and electric vehicles, as well as in stationary applications like backup power systems and grid energy storage. The most common types of batteries include alkaline batteries, lithium-ion batteries, lead-acid batteries, and nickel-metal hydride batteries. Batteries have greatly influenced modern society and have enabled the development of a wide range of technologies that rely on portable and reliable power sources.